you shall keep. Sign unto me, you generations, Yehovah, who does sanctify. Wherefore the children of Israel shall keep the Shabbat, observe the Shabbat throughout the generations, for a perpetual covenant to be designed between me and the children of Israel forever. For in 6 days Yehovah made the heaven and the earth, and the seventh day he rested and was refreshed. Together, please them well, Sim. This is the greatest commandment of all. You shall answer them. The rule of the commandments is this. Hear, O Israel, Yehovah our Elohim. Yehovah our Elohim is one. You shall love Yehovah the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind, and with all your strength. This is the first commandment. The second is like unto this. You love your neighbor as yourself. The Lord's commandment greater than these. Shema Yisrael, Yehovah Eloheinu, Yehovah Echad. Shema Yisrael, Yehovah Eloheinu, Yehovah Echad. Baruch Shem Kavod Malkuto Le'olam Vayad. Hear Israel, Yehovah Elohim, Yehovah is one. Blessed be his name, whose glorious kingdom forever. Ve'ahavta et Adonai Eloheka v'kol levavka v'kol nafshecha v'kol leodecha, and you shall love Yehovah your Elohim with all of your heart, with all of your soul, with all of your mind, with all of your strength. Ve'ahavta l'recha kamocha. You shall love your neighbor as yourself. And upon these two commandments stands the whole Torah. Love your neighbor, love your Elohim. Ve'ahavta et Adonai Elohecha v'kol levavka v'kol nafshecha v'kol neodecha, and you shall love Yehovah your Elohim with all of your heart, with all of your soul, with all of your mind, with all of your strength. Shabbat Shalom, folks.